Welcome back to another vlog. It's Monday. I just finished getting ready because Alexis is gonna come over in a little bit and we're gonna have a girls' day. I haven't seen her in so long. We always do this. I always say that because we go weeks, months without seeing each other, but every time we link up, it's like no time has passed. I still have her birthday present to give her from last month. So I think the plan today is to go to the pumpkin patch. Let me show you my outfit. This is what I picked out. I love the top, you know, the orange and the pink, but I'm just not sure about the skirt. I'm trying to make it work. I also tried on pants with it, but I sent a picture to Alexis and she said she loves the skirt and she's gonna try to match my vibe. I'm wearing my new bow claw clip. I don't know if you can see it, but I got these off of Amazon. It's like a 4-pack. I got a pink, black, white, and an orange one, but I'm wearing the pink one right now. You can kind of see it, right? Oh, and then also my chandelier. It's finally hung. You have no idea how much blood, sweat, and tears were put into this, okay? My husband and I, we got into it a couple times, I'm not gonna lie. But we ended up finishing the job and I think it looks so good. Let me back up to give you a better full view. It came with a chain, but I didn't end up using it because if we would have hung it any lower than this, it just would have been way too low. Yeah, so the next thing on my list is to get these pictures hung. I mentioned that in my last vlog and I never got around to it. I thought my husband and I were gonna do it this weekend, but it just didn't happen. So hopefully we can do that sometime this week. And then I can start doing my OOTDs. So, oh my gosh, it looks so freaking good in the mirror. This is my first time vlogging with it up. I love this. Okay. I'm not sure about my hair though. I put some curls in my bangs and I don't know what's going on. I just haven't been loving my hair lately. And I've been saying that I want to get a haircut. I need to figure out whether or not I was accepted to this Dove campaign. It's been a couple of weeks since I last emailed them and they said it would be about another 2 to 3 weeks. So I think I'm gonna email them right now just so I can know. And if they didn't pick me, it's fine. I'm just gonna go get my hair done because I don't know, it's not it these days. But I've been trying to make it work. I mean, it looks a little flat right now because I wet my hair. I always wet it before I style it. But I feel like when it dries, it should fluff up a little bit. I forgot to vlog because my bestie and I were catching up for a long time, but we just finished taking some photos at the pumpkin patch. Look how cute this little photo op is. It says, "Happy Fall." We're about to go pick some pumpkins right now. But then there's also this other little barnyard thing with pumpkins on it. We took a bunch of pictures in front of this too. It's the cutest photo op. We just randomly found this place because the other place that we were gonna go to was closed, but it's so cute here. I'm like, where did my bestie go? She looks so cute. Hey, bestie. These flowers are so pretty too. Are you gonna get some flowers or just pumpkins?
I want a big one, but it's $70.
Is it? Damn, I didn't realize how expensive those were. I see everyone decorating their porches with these flowers.
Is it a southern thing? Have you ever seen them before?
I never have.
They're called mums. Yeah, it's like
Mums?
a southern thing. Everyone does it.
Oh, look at her little bow in the back, so cute. They have these wagons. Which one are you gonna pick? Are they easy to keep alive?
Yeah, I think you just water them once a day or something.
Okay.
Like low maintenance. I should probably buy some that are already bloomed because what if I forget to water it? Then it's gonna
Good point, good point. But like, how long do they last?
I think they last all the way through like Thanksgiving.
Really?
Yeah,
No way.
I
Oh
think
man,
so.
I'm tempted to get one too then.
They're cute, right?
They are.
It's $9.99 each if you buy 4 or more. I want 2, but I can buy 3 and then you can
I can
get
buy
one.
2.
Are you sure? You
Yeah,
don't have to
I
if
want.
you don't
Yeah,
want to.
I was.
Okay.
I was thinking about getting some.
Are you gonna buy them already bloomed, or yours gonna be already like closed?
I think I want them. I think I want them more closed.
Yeah,
that way they'll
me
last
too.
longer.
I'm not gonna.
But those ones are
water
so
them.
pretty. There's a lot that haven't even opened yet though.
Okay.
Yeah, if you look, it looks like they're all open, but they're not. That one's really pretty. I'm grabbing my own wagon. That one's really pretty too.
These will be cute on the front porch.
Yes.
And then
How's this one look?
that one's pretty.
Oh yeah, this one's
Big,
big.
yeah.
Nice, big like mama. This one.
Cute.
Time to get some pumpkins.
Yes, I'm gonna kill it.
Okay, Alexis wants to get some of these stackable ones.
There's
These ones are cute. They look like pastel almost, right?
Yeah, I like this pumpkin, that white one.
How much are these?
I want to stack a orange one on it.
Where's the price tag on these?
I don't know. I'm scared myself.
I know.
don't even want to know. The pumpkins last a long time. My pumpkin lasted all the way to Christmas.
Did it
last
really?
year.
It
Yeah.
didn't rot?
It did not rot. It was
Interesting.
so weird.
What the hell? That's good. Normally mine rots.
I was hoping it. I thought it was.
Ooh,
And that one
that's a
on
good
top.
stack.
And then a green one on top of it, a baby one.
That's so cute. You just made that. Oh my gosh. Love it.
I wish the orange was a little bit brighter.
Filling up the cart. Happy Tuesday. So I got our wedding pictures in the mail that I ordered probably less than 2 weeks ago. The shipping was really fast. I ordered it from the same company that I ordered the last one we had hanging from, and they came out so good. They're really large. I got 3 of them. My husband is thinking they're a little bit too big, but I think they're gonna fit perfectly. So we're about to hang these right now. I'm so excited. This has been long overdue. My husband just took everything off of the wall, and they're super easy to hang, so this shouldn't take us too long. Right, baby?
Yeah, you got a fat ass.
Yay, I'm so excited. Alexis and I had so much fun at the pumpkin patch yesterday. I got bit up by mosquitoes though. My legs are so freaking itchy. I'm trying so hard. Let me turn the light on. Not to scratch them. I swear I'm allergic to mosquitoes, so they flare up pretty crazy. Hubby's doing the math right now so we can get them spaced evenly, because I wouldn't know how to do that. I don't. Sexy. Oh wow.
Do the bang test.
Forgot we have neighbors. I think it's good, right? How's it look?
It's a little crooked.
Oh, is it? Oh, my bad.
I think it feels the space
You
nice.
were worried.
Don't worry.
My golden. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. This was my vision. I was scared that they were gonna be too big. Alexa, pause. Forgot we had music on in the background. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. See, it's not too big. They're actually perfect. If our headboard was any bigger though, they would have been too big, or we would have just had to get a smaller headboard, because these look so good. I'm so happy. Yay. We have been needing a new vibe in our bedroom for the longest time, like a switch up, a little refresh, if you will. Yay. We've been married for 2 years and going on 3. I can't believe like it took me this long to get large prints. I'll have the link of the store that I got them from linked below, because they always have really good sales. I got these 30% off, and I got all 3 of them for less than $200. I thought that was a really good deal. So I did the acrylic on top. I think it was like an extra $10 or something per picture, because the last one that I got, it was just a canvas, and I figured since it was like an extra $10, this is the one that doesn't have acrylic on it. It's still nice, but I just figured the acrylic would help it last longer. So yay, I'm so freaking happy. This just made my day. Thanks for helping me hang these, baby. Oh my, I feel like it makes our room look bigger too though. I feel like it makes the wall look bigger. What is that? Now I have 3 more pictures to hang. Want to take a break before we do that? Or you want to get straight to it? Last thing to do is to hang my cute bow pics. Like that.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay. Happy Thursday. I washed my hair today and I'm trying this technique. Well, I've tried it before, but I haven't tried it in a while. I look crazy right now because I had these clips to keep my hair out of my face when I was doing my makeup. It's giving Krusty the Clown, but I'm gonna keep this clip in my root area to help with volume until my hair dries. I like blow dried my hair for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes and it still feels like it's 50% wet. My hair just takes forever to dry. Today needs to be a productive day because yesterday was a wash. I had myself a total rot day. So right now I'm about to make myself a cup of coffee, clean up the kitchen a little bit, and then we're gonna get straight into creating some content for TikTok Shop. We finally got the pictures hung. I've also been taking this sea moss every day. It says to take 2 tablespoons after you eat. I got the mango flavor and the pineapple flavor. This one's the mango. I take a pretty big spoonful too. It has a lot of really good benefits. It says it's supposed to be really good for your immune system, energy, healing, detox, and digestion. So I've only been taking it for a couple of weeks now. It says 87% of our customers begin to feel the full range of effects and benefits after 3 months of daily use. So I'm just gonna keep taking it and see what happens. I don't know that I've seen a difference. I mean, my skin has cleared up. I don't know if that has anything to do with this or not. I just got this huge PR package in the mail from Rail. They sell these at Target. That's how I first heard about them. I've bought these before, probably over a year ago. I think they're like single-use heating patches for period cramps, but I had no idea that they have this many products. It's crazy. I'm so excited to use all this stuff because it's about to be that time of the month for me. They have skincare products too, organic pads, just so many different things, a exfoliant, a cleanser. Like, I am in shock right now. I only thought that they just had pads and this heating patch right here, but that is so freaking cool. And see, I don't even have any miracle patches. I've been wanting some of these. They have a bunch of different ones. This one is a spot cover. I saw a different one. Where is it? This retinol spot cover. They have like 3 different ones. That's so freaking cool. And then they also have moisturizers. Oh my God, a whole retinol chin mask. Oh my gosh. And then like just regular face masks too. I feel so pampered right now. This is so sweet. Let's water my mums. This is my first time owning mums, so I'm not exactly sure if I'm doing this right, but I want them to last a while. I think they said just to water them once a day. I need to look that up on Google just to make sure, but I think they look really pretty. So I got these 2 mums and then these 2 pumpkins. You take this price tag off. This one was $7.99, and I want to redo my nails too. Oh my gosh, I have so much on my to-do list and I just move so freaking slow. They're so pretty though, right? Let's take this claw clip out of my hair because I am about to go leave to pick up my ring. Oh my God, it looks a little crazy right now. I don't know if I told you, but my wedding ring, when I went to get it cleaned a couple of weeks ago, when they gave it back to me, a tiny diamond was missing. So when I took it back to go get it fixed, I remembered that because I have a jacket with my ring. So my engagement ring goes inside the jacket and it would kind of like move around. I need to fluff my hair up. It's still a little wet. It's looking a little crazy, but when I first got my wedding ring, the jacket, they offered to solder it to my engagement ring so it wouldn't move around and it would stay aligned, but I never took them up on that offer until this last time when I took the ring back to get the diamond replaced. I was like, you know what, let's just do everything in one go. So that's why it kind of took a little bit longer. They texted me yesterday or 2 days ago saying that it was ready, but like I said, I had a rot day yesterday. I literally didn't do anything. So now that I'm ready, I'm like, let's go pick it up and see how freaking gorgeous she looks. My finger has been feeling so bare, so I'm really excited to get it back. As far as the volume goes with the bangs, like, yeah, it's a good hack. I feel like I need the rest of my hair to completely dry so I can get the full effect, because right now it's looking a little crazy. And I put my pumpkins right here around my mirror. I got these ones off of Amazon, these little pink ones. You have to put the tops on them. I did that last night. That was like the one productive thing that I did. But they are, I think they're made out of styrofoam or plastic. They're super lightweight. I wasn't sure if I wanted to return them or not. I forget how many of them came in a pack. I put some in my bathroom. I think I'm gonna keep them. I'll have these linked in the description box if you guys are interested. I'm gonna have these out all the way up until Thanksgiving. I just got my ring back and it looks so freaking good. The guy was like, is it yellow gold or white gold? And I couldn't remember. He's like, how can you not remember? I'm like, give me a break, okay? But my ring is yellow gold and they repaired the missing stone. It was like a tiny diamond. And then they soldered my engagement ring to the jacket so it doesn't move anymore. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm doing my nails as soon as I get home. I'm back from Target. My sister FaceTimed me while I was there. That's why I didn't vlog, but I just finished unboxing this necklace from Every Jewels. Look how gorgeous it is. I've been wanting this necklace for the longest time. It's called the Angelic necklace. I actually ordered it last November or December, but of course my package got lost in the mail and then the necklace sold out, so I never received it. But it's back in stock now and I got it as a free sample on TikTok. I love it so much. I love the pearl detailing, which is my birthstone, and then the angel wings, of course, that have little rhinestones in them. When I was at Target, I picked up this pumpkin candle because I've been seeing these every time I go, but I haven't smelled any of them until today. And this one is my favorite. It is vanilla pumpkin. I love a sweet pumpkin candle. This smells so good. And it was buy one, get one, 50% off. So I got 2 of them. I can't wait to light that. I think I'll light that later and bake some cookies. Right now I'm about to finish filming my content for these bow pictures so I can post that on TikTok Shop. I just finished editing and posting that video. So now I'm gonna do my first ever OOTD in my new OOTD area, but I'm gonna move the mirror out of the way because if I leave it there, then you'll be able to see all of this, which I don't want. This is my new setup. I think it looks so good. All right, let's do this. I just finished filming my OOTD. I'm really excited to edit the video to see how it came out. And because it's so dark in my room, I ended up putting this light on my phone. Even with my chandelier on and this other light, it's just pretty dark in here. So I don't know if I need to get brighter bulbs or what. About 9 o'clock. I need to shower and get ready for bed. I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new one next week. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.